A heist film or a show is just a stylized version of the classic David versus Goliath story, except in heist shows, David has been secretly training for a long time. And there is a reason why heist cinema is still as popular as they were back when cinema was born. Netflix dropped a new show Lupin and it got me thinking why we can never get enough of stories based around a heist. अब ऐसा हो भी क्यों ना? Heist films और shows में वो सारे elements होते हैं that makes them an out and out entertainer. The coming together of a team, the plan being laid out, the scheme being enacted, and finally our anticipation of seeing all that fail. But if you watch films closely, you will realize that good films are always more than what meets the eye. That's why you love a Chak De India भले ही आपको हॉकी में जरा सा भी इंटरेस्ट ना हो. And that's because Chak De India was not about hockey. It was about an underdog team winning the World Cup. In its essence, a heist film or a show is just a stylized version of the classic David versus Goliath story, except in heist shows, David has been secretly training for a long time. And there is a reason why heist cinema is still as popular as they were back when cinema was born. No, I'm not kidding. One of the most famous of all early silent pictures is Edwin S. Porter's The Great Train Robbery made in 1903. This film virtually invented cinema as we know it. और तब से लेकर अब तक फिल्म्स और क्राइम inseparable रहा है. This film was a big blockbuster. अब हो सकता है इसका रीजन ये भी हो कि उस टाइम के लोगों को एस्केपिस्ट आउटलॉज बहुत पसंद हो. और मे बी द फिल्म वर्कड बिकॉज पीपल हेटेड द बैंक्स, और मे बी पीपल फाउंड द एक्ट ऑफ स्टीलिंग स्टफ सिनेमैटिक. वेल, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू आर्ग्यू ऑन दैट. Seeing a well synchronized heist unfold on screen is so satisfying. ये बात अलग है that we also keep anticipating that these well lit plans might go to shit at any given moment. Thanks Tarantino for giving us this lifelong anxiety of well made heist plans going to shit with Reservoir Dogs. Since then, we have seen the popularity of heist films grow on a cellular level. From Steven Soderbergh to Wes Anderson, even the audio directors couldn't resist giving their own swing to heist films. So what is it with us common folks falling every time for a character like the Professor? The first thing that stand out in the central character of a heist show is individualism. Usually in a heist film or a show, जो main character होता है, it represents standing up to the systems and conventions of the society. If you look at any popular Bollywood heist film, like for example a Special 26, the central character is standing up to the system in his own way, because in the past he was rejected by the same system. Most of the heist films have anti-heroes as their main protagonist. I have made a full video on why we love bad guys. If you want to know more about that philosophy, do check out that video too. So the next thing that makes the central character or characters of a heist show stand out is cleverness and patience. Usually, these kind of shows and films are fun, witty and full of adrenaline rush. And that's what makes them so appealing and cool. इसमें और भी ज़्यादा मजा तब आ जाता है when we get to know a bit more about the past of the cops and robbers. Popular heist films like in Ocean's 11 or The Italian Job or The Inside Man. In सारी films में there is this James Bond type mystery around the main characters, which might make them more appealing. So when a show like Lupin subverts the genre and tries something new like deep diving into the past of its central character, it gets even more interesting and adds a new layer to it. And since it is a show, इसमें back stories explore करने से लेकर better character development करने का काफी scope था. And the makers don't shy away from doing that. And honestly, I feel that it made the show much more interesting. And this show has some brilliantly shot espionage moments and sequences which takes the show to a whole new level. And come to think of it, it's a French show. And Money Heist was a Spanish show, जो first season तक बस Spain में popular था. The streaming platforms really gave us access to so many different cultures and countries. बेसिकली जो पैरासाइट के डायरेक्टर बॉन्ग जून हो ने गोल्डन ग्लोब विनिंग स्पीच में कहा था अबाउट सबटाइटल्स, वो काफी हद तक रियलिटी में बदलता हुआ दिख रहा है. मोस्टली द कैरेक्टर्स इन अ हाइस्ट फिल्म नेवर एक्चुअली स्टील फ्रॉम और हर्ट गुड पीपल. देयर टारगेट्स आर यूजुअली मच इविल पीपल और अ करप्ट सिस्टम, जो बेसिकली उनको एक सॉफ्टवेयर एंटी हीरो बना देता है. एंड दैट इज अ मेजर रीजन व्हाई वी साइड विद देम. जस्ट लुक अप ऑल द शोज एंड फिल्म्स. द एंटी हीरोज आर पॉप कल्चर आइकन्स. इवन इन द एपिक फेस ऑफ बिटवीन एल पचिनो एंड रॉबर्ट डी नीरो इन माइकल मैन्स हीट, वी सीक्रेटली साइड विद डी नीरो's कैरेक्टर नील, जबकि सामने देयर इज एल पचिनो in the role of the cop. And I think that pretty much sums up our obsession with heist shows and its characters. Let me know your favorite heist shows and films in the comments below and why you love them. And for more such content on films and shows, check out the bin section on India Times.